Welcome back guys, this is Richard from Productivv Academy, and let's dive into the third video of the Flutter tutorial series. If you watched the previous video and it worked for you perfectly, that is if you installed Android Studio and Flutter is working for you perfectly in Android Studio, you don't have to watch this video, you can skip this video right away. But if it's not working for you, if Android Studio is not supported in your laptop or computer, or if Android Studio is running very slow in your laptop or computer, then this video might be the solution for you. We are going to use an alternative method to run your Flutter app, to run your Flutter environment. So let's get started. Go to Google and type in VsCode. You will get this results. Click on download. Well, we are going to download the VsCode code editor. We are going to use VsCode to run Flutter. So that's why I'm clicking download. So we are in the VsCode download page now. So to download VsCode, you can select the one respective to your operating system, minus Windows. So yeah, I'll click on Windows. And it will be downloaded for me in a second. Yeah, so the download is started. I'm going to give cancel because I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm going to give cancel. Now once it's downloaded and once you installed it, it's not a big procedure, it's really a small procedure. So once you installed it, you can go here and type VsCode. So here I'm getting Visual Studio Code. Click on it and your Visual Studio Code window will be opened. My VS Code has been opened for me. So now you need to click on the extensions tab and we need to install two extensions. One is the Flutter extension, another one is the Dart extension. So click on the extensions tab, this box one, and now search for Flutter. Yeah, so here I'm getting Flutter. Click on Flutter and it will ask you to install. Click on install and Flutter will be installed for you. I think installing Flutter also installs Dart for you, but just in case we can check if Dart is installed. So once you install Flutter, click on Dart, search for Dart, and yeah, you need to install Dart programming language too. So check if Dart is installed too. And once you install both Dart and Flutter, you can create a new Flutter application. How can we do that? Close this. Let's go here. Click on Control plus Shift plus P, and here type in Flutter. Once you type in Flutter, you will get a lot of options. One of those is Flutter New Project. Click on that option, Flutter New Project. Here enter a name for your project. I'm gonna call it course 1. Okay, so this is the first video for course, so I'm saying course 1, and it is asking me a location, so I'll just select this folder. Yeah, so my new project has been created. Let's wait for a while for the code to be generated because the demo code needs to be generated. So let's wait for a while. So yeah, our Flutter code has been generated. We successfully created the Flutter project, and you can see we have a demo code right here. This demo code will be given by Flutter whenever you create a new Flutter app. Don't get afraid by the length of the code you are seeing here, because most of these are comments. These are not real code. Most of these are comments which are for our reference. So don't get afraid of this long code. You can either delete it or you can either build upon it. Don't worry about it for now. Now we need to run this demo app, run and see if this demo app actually works. So to run this demo app, you can either run it in the emulator we created in the last video, or you can run it in your own smartphone by connecting it to your laptop or to your computer. So let's see how it works. So yes, now my app is running right here and my camera is pointing at my Android phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some settings in my Android phone, change some settings in my Android phone, and then we are going to connect our Android phone to our computer. So first let me go to my Android phone and change some settings. I'll go to my menu and go to settings, search for settings, click on settings, and I'll go below, go to about phone. Here click on your build number. So you should find something called as build number. Click on it, and when you click it, I think 10 times, I guess, when you click it for 10 times, it will make you a developer. It will say you are a developer now. So for me it's saying me no need, you are already a developer, so I don't need to click it again. So once it says you are a developer now, go back. You will now have a new options called as developer options. Click on the developer options and go below. Here switch on USB debugging. I've already switched it on. You need to switch on USB debugging because we need to switch it on to run our Android apps in our phone. So we need to switch on USB debugging. So switch on USB debugging in your phone, and once you've done it, it's all complete. Now we need to connect our computer with our Android device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my USB cable and I'm going to connect my computer with my Android device. So now we are connected our phone successfully, and once you are connected, if you scroll down, you will be seeing USB debugging connected. So if it shows to you are successfully connected to your computer, now go to the Flutter project in your VS Code, and here click on the devices. So for me, I've already connected my device, which is XT1706. I'm clicking on that, and that particular device will be selected. For the first time you are connecting your USB debugging with your computer, it will show you a prompt. Click on OK. So it will ask you a confirmation. Click on OK for the first time when you are connecting. So now we are ready to run our app in this phone. So to do that, go to this play button, click on run button, and here click on run and debug. For the first time, it will take you nearly 5 minutes for it to successfully run. So let's wait. Great, now our Flutter app has been successfully loaded. You can see it's showing me Flutter demo homepage, and you have pushed this button this many times. So whenever I press this button, so it will increase the number. Yeah, so you can see you have pushed the button this many times, 7, 8, 9. So it's increasing the number whenever I press the button. So if it works for you successfully, congrats. If it shows you any error, you might have missed any steps I did, so make sure you rewatch the video and do the steps again. And an amazing thing in Flutter is we can do hot reload. That is, we can do any changes in this code and it will be changed right away in our app, in our demo app, which is running in my phone. So let me zoom in this window a little bit. Zoom, yeah. So I'll close this part. Yeah. Now let's try changing something. So here we are having Flutter demo homepage, so which is these letters, Flutter demo homepage. Let's try changing that and let's see the results. So I'll remove that and I'll say Productivv Academy, and I will save this. So you can see our app has been successfully updated itself. We just changed the code and our app updated itself in real time. So that is a major advantage of Flutter. We are having this hot reload feature. Whenever you change some code and save it, it will be updated instantly in your app, and you don't need to restart your app every time you are changing some code. So this is a major advantage in Flutter. So I hope VS Code supports in your computer or laptop. And I'm not gonna run in VS Code in the rest of the series. I'm gonna use Android Studio for running my Flutter app because that is more comfortable for me. Having Android Studio window open in one side and the emulator open in another side, it is more comfortable for me. So I'm gonna use that part. But whatever I code in Android Studio, you can code it right away in VS Code too, and it will run nearly the same. You will not have any errors. You can follow me right away even if you are using VS Code. It will be no problem. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like, it would help me a lot. And if you are having any doubts or questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll definitely reply them. And make sure to subscribe because I'm releasing new videos every week. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.